If you are good at math and you want to earn $12 per hour, then watch this video. Yup is an on-demand math tutoring app. Whenever students need help with math, they can take a picture of a problem and connect to an expert tutor for one-to-one support. All Yup tutoring sessions take place on the student's phone. Yup tutors work from their desktop via web platform. Students and tutors use tools including secure messaging and a virtual whiteboard to communicate. Yup supports tutoring for early math, algebra, geometry, trigonometry, probability, pre-calculus and calculus AB. Their pedagogy, or teaching methods, sets them apart from other tutoring providers. Yup tutors do not simply give students the answer, but make sure real learning takes place for long-term academic success. All applicants must complete a written portion, a subject proficiency exam, and a teaching exercise. The proficiency exam is split into 2 levels, so you may choose to take the level of your choice or both. The entire application process should take fewer than 24 hours. Once you become a Yup tutor, you have the ability to choose hours on a weekly basis. Only work hours that work for you. Yup takes great pride in helping their tutors grow professionally. They have courses, quizzes, surveys, feedback, and other activities for their tutors to help improve their overall performance. They also keep their tutors up to date on the latest tutoring methods and best practices. Yup tutors are paid on a monthly basis through direct deposit or PayPal. One. Student submits a math problem by taking a photo or using the screen capture tool. 2. Student connects to a live tutor in seconds. Their smart matching technology instantly pairs students with the best tutor for them and their problem. Smart matching takes into consideration tutor subject area expertise and the student's previous experience with specific tutors. 3. Student and tutor start solving together. Yup enables students and tutors to communicate securely and solve problems collaboratively in their own virtual classroom. They use a number of tools to aid instruction including a digital whiteboard, equation writing, graphical interfaces, and image sharing. 4. Teacher has all session data on Yup dashboard. Yup provides full transparency into every student-tutor interaction on their platform. Teachers can see usage metrics, access transcripts, and review personalized tutor summaries for each session. Yup supports the learning already happening in classrooms. For students, Yup means one-on-one tutoring 24/7 and on-demand access to a supportive learning environment. For teachers, Yup is a tool to support every student and get data-driven insights on student learning. If you want to know more about the platform, the link to their website is in the description below. Please like, share, and hit the subscribe button. Then click the notification bell to keep you posted on our new videos. See you on the next one. Thank you for watching.